Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm going to be going over and reviewing the world's smallest micro voice recorder with 90 hours of storage. Now if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on the latest spy news by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Now, appropriately named, this is the world's smallest. It is an incredibly small audio recorder that has a high record quality and is very easy to use. The small, compact designs opens up many possibilities. You can just imagine all the different ways you could use this. Let's take a closer look at this tiny recorder. In the box here, you'll find the recorder, a USB cable to charge the battery and listen to the files, as well as a pair of headphones. This recorder is one of the few that I've used that you can actually listen to the files directly from the device without the need of a computer. You'll find an on-off switch located near the top and then a plus and minus button on the bottom. My initial thoughts of this recorder is that it's built well and sturdy. The housing here is actually metal, but it's very lightweight. Alrighty, now that we've taken a close look, let's see how it performs. I'm going to show you guys how to start and stop a recording first and then move on to some tests that I've designed to see how well it will work in different situations. Let's take a look. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Alright everyone, what we have here is the world's smallest audio recorder. I'm going to show you guys how to trigger a recording on it. Luckily it's very easy. And then we're going to do some tests with it. So located on the top of the device there's this little silver switch, and then printed on the front it actually even says on and off. All you do is flip that to the on position, and then you'll see a little red light come on right here. And then once that starts flashing and goes away, that lets you know that you've started the recording. Okay, so now what we've done is we've transitioned from the camera and audio setup we have here to a GoPro, and then all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being captured by this, and we've synced the two together so it still sounds and looks okay. We're going to go ahead and go to our back stock room and do our first test. Welcome to our back stock room. What I have here is the world's smallest, and we're going to do a tabletop test where I put the audio recorder in my pocket and then go underneath the table and have a conversation with Kenny. Now keep in mind, all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being captured by the world's smallest itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is actually a review we received for the world's smallest. Great product, better customer service. I've had this recording device for about a month now and have used it daily to record meetings. The product has worked flawlessly and is very simple to transfer recordings to your computer. I would recommend this device for ease of use and decent sound quality. But I'm even more impressed with customer service I received. For some reason the device stopped working. I explained my situation and within an hour a new unit was being shipped to me with no questions asked. I pay for overnight shipping as I have come to depend on this device. In today's retail environment it is not often that you find a provider that truly has a customer service mentality. Compliments to Brian and the entire team at SpyCentre. I am now a loyal customer of yours for years to come. Thank you very much for the great product and even better customer service.
Wow, that was a great review. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to take the world's smallest up to our retail storefront and do a couple more tests. Okay, so we're in our storefront, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the world's smallest audio recorder and we're going to do a pocket test and then a distance test. For the first test, I'm going to actually put the world's smallest audio recorder in my pocket. And keep in mind that all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being captured by the world's smallest. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing good, how are you?
Doing good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. Okay, so for the next test, I'm going to hand off the world's smallest to Kenny, and we're going to do a distance test to see how it performs at various distances. Okay, so this is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And find me to test the world's smallest audio recorder at 30 feet. The world's smallest is one of my all-time favorite recorders. The reason I like it so much is because it's very easy to use, the recording quality is very good, and the size is just unmatched. You can easily put this in your pocket or hide it on your person virtually anywhere without getting noticed. Now, we do monitor the comment section on all of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.